Hi everyone, I'm Angel Perry, Realtor with OW Auction Group, and I want to invite you to my down payment assistance and grants workshop that I'm holding on Saturday, November 18th at 10 a.m. via Zoom. You can click the link in my bio or in the description below to register. So don't miss out on this great opportunity to learn about your opportunities for down payment assistance, for different grants, and also one of the great programs that we will be talking about is the Huntington Bank Home for Good program. Huntington Bank Home for Good program provides great opportunity for many to be able to get into your home either this year or beginning of next year. It has a minimum credit score of 580, 3% down payment, and no private mortgage insurance, which means more money in your pocket. The program can be used on properties of 2-unit properties with 3% down payment, and it has a competitive interest rate depending on your debt to income ratio. For example, if your debt to income ratio is below 40%, the interest rate is 6.5%. If it is above the 40%, your interest rate is 7%. And Huntington Bank is providing $6,000 in closing cost assistance, which can be used with this program. So join me Saturday, November 18th at 10 a.m. to learn more. Thanks.